Kami sa Metro Supermarket starting January 29 until February 7, we have a lot of exciting deals and treats para sa inyo. So halina, shopping na sa Metro Ayala Supermarket.
Our valued Metro shoppers, amo mong invite to come on January 29 to hold our grand opening. Big discounts and great deals are at stake for all of you. See you